Good morning. Wake up, wake up. It's Mackenzie Child's time. Another shopping haul from Mackenzie Child. Now, it's not a very big haul, but I'm going to be doing a lot of bee posts, and I needed some Mackenzie Child bees. And I'm going to share with you what I got. Now, before I go any further, this beautiful, beautiful container that you see is a Mackenzie Child piece also. It's not mine, it's my daughter's, and I thought it worked out beautiful for the bee post that we're going to be doing here in the future. Let me go and get the top for this to show you how beautiful it's finished off. I want to mention right out of the box that I will appreciate that my daughter has helped me so much in the last the last 4 months, purchasing so many beautiful pieces of Mackenzie Childs for I could join in on more posts, and she also did a lot of collecting the pieces for the bee tablescapes you're going to be seeing in the next month or two. And she helped purchase a lot of the pieces for my Alice in Wonderland online. So she has been searching high and low for these pieces. That's how I've been managed to kick up my channel a little bit better and get better quality videos. Thank you so much, my awesome daughter, for all your beautiful support for my channel and helping me find so many beautiful pieces. Don't you agree? She has done an awesome job picking things up for my Alice in Wonderland post that I did for June, and now we're going into the bee thing. And she did get some new surprising things for my fairy gardens for next month. So stay tuning and see what other wonderful things my daughter has made for me or has purchased. And I have paid for them, so I don't want you to think I'm making her pay for everything. But she's still looking for them, and that takes a lot of time and effort. So a big thank you to my daughter. And because she does do DIYs, she made this beautiful bow for these challenges. And she loaned me this beautiful piece. What do you think? Thank you, my awesome daughter, for all your help. Just wanted to show you the lid to this beautiful container. And as you can see how beautiful it looks. It has a lot of greens, yellows, blues, and oranges in this. I was very, very happy with how it looks. And I love how they finish everything off. Let me see if I can hold it closer. Look at how they finish everything off. So beautiful. Sorry, the lighting is so bad today. Usually when it's a cloudy day, I get really good footage, but for some reason maybe it's a little too cloudy. But anyway, I just wanted to share with you what it looked like. And of course, these were the lemons and sunflowers from the last haul that I shared with you. And look how cute the bees look. Now my daughter made this beautiful bow with all the bees on it and the honeycomb ribbon. She did an awesome job putting it together. So you can see we're gearing up for the bee post. Now let's get into these beautiful, these are beautiful. Now they set up just like this if you want to use them for a display piece, and they're all beautifully beaded. They're just gorgeous. And then on the underneath side, you can see how they're all finished, and the napkin ring is finished all the way around. So if you had a napkin in here, it would look like that. But I couldn't believe how beautiful these bees were. Look at all the great workmanship that were put into this. Somebody put a lot of time and effort, and they look beautiful. These are from India. That's where these are made. And they did a beautiful, great quality job on them. Look at all the black and white beads around the edge of the bee wings. Are they not beautiful? I just love it. I think these may be my favorite napkin rings so far. Don't get me wrong, I love my teapot napkin rings too, but these bee ones are really something. Oh my gosh, I couldn't believe how pretty. Oh well, not one complaint about those. I am so happy. I realize they're a little on the expensive side, but they're worth every penny. These are my favorite pieces from this haul. Not that my other bees did not turn out nice, but these are my favorite. Let me know what you think. Let me know on this haul, since I had 3 different sets of bees. And you know I do tablescapes for 2. So usually when you're going to see things like this, it's going to be for 2. Because Grandma does tablescape for 2. And Mackenzie Child is very expensive. And so if you have a lot of money, it's sort of hard to buy too much at one time. But being that I'm only doing tablescapes for 2, I can buy really nice quality pieces and share them with you. Hope you enjoyed this post on what I bought from Mackenzie Childs. And A+ for these bees, napkin rings, my favorite. You can use them for napkin rings or display pieces because they look beautiful all by themselves and they stand straight up because of the napkin rings in the back. I love these. These are my favorite. Now, of course, I do like these little bee ones too, and they're like my other one, like my butterfly. They have finished it off with a little pearl and make it a little special. And these bees have the beautiful Mackenzie Child leaves connected to them, and I'm very, very happy with them also. So let me know what you thought. I thought it looked great. I couldn't believe how awesome it turned out. Don't forget, we have some bee posts coming your way soon. See you in the next video. Hugs and kisses to all of my friends. Please, if you enjoy these new content direction I'm going, please give me a thumbs up. Hope you're going to enjoy seeing a Mackenzie Child post, 1 or 2 posts every month that we're going to do on Mackenzie Child. This is my new collecting that I'm doing. I hopefully within a year or 2 I can afford to pay a little bit more and get one nice item a month or every other month. Most of the Mackenzie Child pieces I have picked up have been just small accessory pieces to say I have Mackenzie Child and I own it. Most of my pieces are not big or super expensive, even though they have some really pricey items. But I hope you agree these bees were worth every penny that I paid. And I love this little bee also. So nice. And of course, this set here was very pretty too. And I thought it all tied in beautifully with the bee theme. Let me know. Give me hugs and kisses back and give me what you thought was the most impressive piece I bought. Were the bee napkin rings your favorite? They're mine. Or you like the pair of these bees or these bees. And like I said, there's 6 items here and they were a little pricey, but they were worth all the money I spent. Hope you agree. And of course, if you're lucky enough like me and you have family members that are collecting it now, maybe you could borrow a piece or 2 like I did, for I could do this post. She's collecting these colors here, and she's also collecting the blue and white. So I have lots and lots to borrow from her. It feels so good to have somebody you can borrow a few nice items from and put them in your post. It always helps. For I don't have to buy everything myself. Hugs and kisses. Bye-bye for now. See you in the next video. Thank you, daughter. Thank you for all your support and help. And thank you for such a great help with doing these videos.